Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid on Instagram Story. This easy guide will help you create visually appealing and well-organized stories. The grid feature is a fantastic tool for precise alignment, ensuring your text, stickers, and other elements are perfectly placed. It's a simple trick that can significantly elevate your story's design, making it look more professional and engaging for your audience. To activate the grid, first open your Instagram app and tap the plus icon to start a new story. Next, either capture a new photo or video or select existing content from your gallery. Once your content is ready, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tap these three dots and then select the draw option from the menu that appears. This action will instantly reveal the helpful grid lines. Once the grid is active, you can easily align your story elements. Simply drag any sticker, text box, or GIF around your screen. As you move these items, you will notice blue grid lines appearing, guiding your placement. These lines help you position your content precisely, ensuring everything snaps perfectly into place. This feature is incredibly useful for achieving consistent spacing and creating balanced, symmetrical layouts for all your story designs. Using the grid feature significantly enhances your Instagram story design. It allows you to create professional-looking stories with perfectly balanced compositions, making your content more appealing. This tool also saves you valuable time by quickly aligning multiple elements, eliminating guesswork. Experiment with various layouts, using the grid as your reliable guide. A well-aligned and aesthetically pleasing story will undoubtedly keep your audience engaged and coming back for more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.